Hey everyone, welcome back to The More You Know, your go-to channel for expanding your knowledge on a variety of fascinating topics. Today, we're diving into the world of online course creation. We'll be sharing practical tips, examples, and best practices to help you design, develop, and launch a successful online course. If you're ready to share your expertise with the world and generate passive income, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Chapter 1. Why create an online course? Before we dive into the tips, let's discuss the benefits of creating an online course. 1. Reach a global audience. 2. Showcase your expertise. 3. Create passive income. 4. Flexibility and scalability. Chapter 2. Steps to create an online course. Creating an online course involves several key steps. We'll walk you through each one in detail. Step 1. Identify your course topic. To create a successful online course, start by identifying a topic that you're passionate about and have expertise in. Consider your skills, experiences, and the needs of your target audience. Step 2. Market research and validation. Conduct market research to understand the demand for your course topic, identify your target audience, and assess the competition. Validate your course idea by gathering feedback from your target audience or offering a pilot version of your course. Step 3. Plan your course outline. Once you've validated your course idea, create a detailed outline for your course content. Break down your topic into modules and lessons, and organize them in a logical and progressive sequence. Step 4. Develop engaging content. Develop content for each lesson using a mix of formats, such as video, text, and interactive elements. Incorporate storytelling, real-world examples, and practical tips to make your content engaging and actionable. Step 5. Choose your course platform. Select a course platform that suits your needs and budget, such as Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi. Consider factors like customization options, payment processing, and integrations with third-party tools. Step 6. Create and edit your course videos. Record high-quality videos using a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup. Edit your videos to remove mistakes, add captions, and include graphics or animations to enhance your content. Step 7. Set up your course on the platform. Upload your course content to the platform, customize your course landing page, and set up payment options, pricing, and promotional materials. Step 8. Launch and promote your course. Announce your course launch through your website, email list, and social media channels. Offer discounts, free trials, or bonuses to incentivize early enrollments. Chapter 3. Practical tips for course creation. Now, let's dive into some practical tips to help you create a high-quality and engaging online course. Tip number 1. Focus on one learning objective per lesson. To keep your course content focused and easy to digest, aim to teach one main learning objective per lesson. Tip number 2. Encourage active learning. Include quizzes, assignments, and interactive activities to help your students apply their knowledge and enhance their learning experience. Tip number 3. Create a community for your students. Build a community for your students using forums or social media groups, where they can ask questions, share their progress, and network with others. Tip number 4. Offer different learning modalities. To cater to different learning styles, offer your course content in various formats, such as video, audio, text, and interactive elements. Tip number 5. Keep your videos short and engaging. Aim for video lessons to be between 5 to 10 minutes long to maintain student engagement. Use visuals, animations, and real-life examples to keep your content interesting. Tip number 6. Provide support and feedback. Offer support to your students through email, live Q&A sessions, or one-on-one consultations. Provide feedback on assignments to help them improve and succeed. Tip number 7. Continuously update and improve your course. Keep your course content up to date and make improvements based on student feedback and advancements in your field. Chapter 4. Examples of successful online courses. Let's explore some examples of successful online courses to inspire you and demonstrate the wide range of topics and formats you can choose from. Example number 1. Masterclass. Masterclass offers high-quality video courses taught by experts and celebrities in various fields, such as writing, cooking, and filmmaking. Example number 2. Coursera. Coursera partners with top universities and institutions to offer a wide range of online courses, from single courses to full degree programs, in subjects like business, data science, and more. Example number 3. Yoga with Adriene. Yoga with Adriene offers online yoga courses and classes, ranging from beginner to advanced levels, taught by popular yoga instructor Adriene Mishler. Chapter 5. Measuring the success of your online course. To evaluate the success of your online course, track key performance indicators, KPIs, and gather student feedback. Key KPIs to track are enrollment numbers, completion rates, student satisfaction, and revenue generated. Gathering student feedback. Collect feedback from your students through surveys, testimonials, and course evaluations to identify areas for improvement and measure the overall success of your course. Chapter 6. Scaling your online course business. Once your course is successful, consider scaling your online course business through various strategies. Strategy number 1. Create additional courses. Expand your course offerings by creating new courses on related topics or by targeting different skill levels. Strategy number 2. Upsell and cross-sell. Offer upsells, such as premium content, coaching, or exclusive access to events, and cross-sell other courses or products to increase revenue. Strategy number 3. Affiliate marketing. Partner with affiliates to promote your course and reach new audiences. Strategy number 4. Optimize your marketing efforts. Continuously test and refine your marketing strategies to increase conversions and grow your student base. Conclusion. Creating a successful online course is a rewarding and profitable endeavor when you invest time and effort in designing, developing, and promoting your content. Use the tips and examples shared in this video to create engaging, high-quality courses that resonate with your target audience and generate passive income. Thank you for joining us on this journey through online course creation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to The More You Know for more informative content. Until next time, happy course creating!